Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys if escrow.com is safe to use or not. So, first of all, the company is legit, and people who have been a user for like a very long time, they did not face any issues these past years. However, recently, people are having problems with like KYC problems, and like they're doing ridiculous demands like to get some money. You have to at first deposit a certain amount, things like that. And then as you can see, this guy is also saying that I've been using it for like 5 to 10 years and no issue, but this past months it's been a mess with transactions, things like that. And then another person is saying that they have known to be breached at least 3 times. So you could go for honestly a better source if you want to sell things or buy things, but for now it's better to avoid escrow.com. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.